My husband is not fond of PDA and would rather show his affection for me in private. One of the things he does that makes me weak in the knees is when his alarm rings in the morning. The first thing he does after pressing the snooze button is roll over to face me, extend his arms signaling that I put my head on his arms and hug me tightly. He does this for around 10 to 15 minutes or until the next alarm rings. He leaves for work really early in the morning, usually an hour before I do, and this moment gives us time to just be with each other without any distractions of the world. My husband is a kinda like a big muscular guy, and his hugs and cuddles are the best, making feel like I'm in the safest little cocoon. Another thing he does that makes me weak in the knees is when he comes home after going to the gym, and he carries a little bag with sliced fruits for me to eat. Other than that, all the things that he does for our growing family, working hard and caring for me, makes me weak in the knees and makes me fall in love with him more each day.